Uh, talk clear when you speak, paper talk, cripple talk, ayy, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things, ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings, ayy. Articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laughing at you, talking can't structure things. While I structure entries, exit scaling things. You scream moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect and patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price gon' win, I say fix things. Rocker don't care how you been things. Liquidity sweet, then reversal brings things. Or you buy tops and pray for things. I mock bad sentences, not people of things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic, sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats, quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of little.
That's right, guys. You ain't got no chicken wings. I have a feeling this might be a quick stream. Let's go in 3, 2, and 1. Bingo bango. I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without the tuition. We show you for free. There's a concept for free. You don't need to join my group, my paid group, or nothing like that to learn how to trade. You do that if you want updates on the trades. If you have money, you want to help support the channel, continue, having good people give out information, then join the group. But if you just want to learn, if you want to just kind of pick my brain, it's your 1 hour free mentorship right here every single day, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then, of course, sometimes we'll do short streams. This one might be a short stream. I'm not too sure. Let's see. Hey, we got Johnny December in the house. What's going on, my man? What's going on? Johnny December. Appreciate you. Oh, it's all good, brother. It's all good. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for smashing the like. We got Wix Wi-Fi 89 in the house. Thank you very much. It's not cold right now in the house. But I got my jacket really close just in case. Just in case. All right. Crypto bubbles on the daily. Man, hype. Ooh. Zcash. Ooh. Not too good. We have random ones. Ton. Nothing's really up. Nothing's really up. We have 2 that are, well, 1 double digits, negative 10.1. That's lit. Stable 9.2 down. But nothing crazy. Let's go to the hourly. Whoa. Green. Does this mean Bitcoin's going up? We're gonna find out in just a moment. Let's look at the Fear and Greed Index. Fear and Greed Index. It was at 17. Now, 14. We got Curtis Hill in the house. What's going on, Curtis? Appreciate you, man, being here. Let's look. Liquidations heat map. Our good buddy Al, who is in JR's Discord, he told us about this. It's been in front of our face the whole time. I never really did anything with it. but he uses 0.5 on the threshold, and also this checkbox right here. That we can look fancy. And then our good buddy Crypto Change Me told us about this. When we have it here, we look like a noob. So noobish. Now we look very smart. Very smart. All right. We can see that we came up for some liquidation to the top side, creating a lower high. Possibly. I don't know if we're going to roll over. I maybe come down a little bit lower. Maybe even touch this. It's only 31.2 million. Boring. I know. Very boring. Before either going up or coming down. That's why we trade level by level. This right now is looking really juicy for it to break the level just to get this 53.87 million, sitting at 75.2. And then maybe even here, 44 million, sitting at 74.8, before potentially going up. Potentially. There's always that hopium. Always that hopium. Let's look at the 12-hour. We're going to look at the chart in just a moment. But right now, we're just kind of seeing where the liquidity is at. Really nice liquidations above this pivot. Right here, 88 million. 77.1. That's the price. Could we come up here first to either come down, break this level, get these, or just go straight up and forget this liquidation to the downside? Again, level by level. We got Newbie Crypto in the house. What's going on, Newbie? Hopefully your trading day's been good. Let's go to the 3-day. On the 3-day, and it's still stacked up. Nice liquidity zone. Starting at 79.4 to 79.8. Really nice zone is building up. Right now, and I want it to look good. Really do. I want to give hopium. I really do. Maybe we'll look at the chart in just a second. I wanted to say, but that's the thing too. And one thing that I'm going to do is, and you'll see, what we like to do is we like to hide all the drawings and just look at it from a fresh start. And that way we don't have a bias as far as, oh, it's, has a higher percentage of it going up because we've had that bias, or, oh, it's going to go down more than likely. So we just gotta look at it again. But man, I want it to look good, but it doesn't. Newbie Crypto says going down seems more. Yeah. Oh, I hate it. But we make money both ways. I just like making money going up. I really do. Do we make money both ways? Sure. I don't know. Some traders don't care. Like, we make money going up, down, doesn't matter. I just feel good when it's going up and making money versus it going down and making money. I mean, I still like making money, but I'd rather it go up and make money. We got Trigger Heart in the house. What's going on? Appreciate you. Killed it today, 300% in one trade. What leverage? Very nice. Dude, killed it. How much leverage? Very nice. So that was the weekly, just really nice liquidations to the upside. Really nice. Nothing really too much on the downside, which is surprising, I think. Let us go to Clash. Still doing nothing. All right, so let's look at Bitcoin. Let's get out of the 3-minute time frame. Let's kind of go to the daily. Let's look at the daily. When we were here, I was thinking, because we had pulled back so much, I'm thinking, oh, this would be nice for it to bounce up, but more than likely roll over just because it's not looking strong. And we've been bumping our head on our anchored VWAPs, not looking strong. I'm thinking here, come up, bounce our head, and then roll over. And man, it just looks. So let me take off all this stuff. That way we can look at it. Fresh set of eyes. Gone. All right. So on the daily, it would be really nice to see if the price can at least go to our anchored VWAPs. It would be really, really nice. So again, just looking at it from a fresh perspective, we've done this up, down, had a level here, up or a zone, up, down, broke the zone, resisted on the zone, bumped our head, came all the way down, started doing this zone, trying to break to the upside. We don't want to break to the downside. Broke this level. Oh crap, level 1. Broke this level because it's so close to this one. Oh crap, level 2. Possible. We come up. By the time we go here, more than likely these anchored VWAPs will come over here. Possible. Oh crap, level 3. See that we're sitting at 76, give or take. Is that the end? Is that the end? Or is this just the beginning? Trying to do that hopium. Or is this just the beginning? I would really, so for me personally, I would really like to see us come up. And this is a really nice area. You can do fair value gaps. You can do impulsive moves. You can do low volume nodes, whatever you want to call it. This was a really nice move, very fast down. So I would like to see it come up to this area. And I really want to see it do this number. But as we mentioned before, the further down we go, the harder it is to come up. It's literally going against the grain. It's going against the stream, the river, whatever you want to, up the hill. It's still possible, but the further down we go, the harder it gets. The steeper the incline is. It's doable, but it's difficult. Very difficult. When we were here, I was really thinking we're going to come up here to where we have our zone and our trend line from this previous cycle, right on 106. Then come down, then break the level, and then it's done. That's our cycle. In confirmation for me anyway, coming down to the very low numbers, 65, 55, 45. Some people are saying 35. I don't know if we'll go that low, but we'll see. But this was our opportunity, and we broke the level. And then here we're trying to come up. We could not break above this 90.4. And this right here is, we were talking about this. We needed it to break above, find support, and go. Couldn't do it. So let's look at a 4-hour time frame. Oh wait, I normally don't look down here. Let's look down here for something. No divergence, very low on the RSI, 27. The market makers, these are vector candles. This is on the volume. So basically, this is the market makers pushing it down, pushing it down, pushing it down. Then, the retail is like, oh, well, let's continue selling. And just plain, let's buy it. Oh, never mind. And that's what this is right here. Let's see here. Leverage 35, very nice. I see previous cycle all-time high, more likely before going remotely close to 84. 84. Previous cycle all-time high, yeah. Yeah, and we're closer to it, and it just makes sense. We're closer to it. It makes sense. Previous all-time high from last season before going up. And here's the thing too. Like for me, and we've talked about this also, in order for me to be bullish, macro, and create another all-time high, my level's way up here. 119,415. We break this level, then everybody's gonna be super crazy bullish. It's gonna be on the news. Everybody's gonna be talking about it. Your delivery people, whether it's Uber Eats, pizza, whatever. Oh, have you heard about Bitcoin? You can buy it now at, when you're paying for gas, that type of stuff. Then it goes to all-time high. But until we get there, for me, my major resistance level is 106. But yeah. But it's someone love in the house. What's going on? Price is seeking new value. There you go. Hope everyone had a good day. Yes, indeed. I'm in one trade. I had a lower entry. I was in profit for a few minutes, and then it started coming down. I was like, oh, I was really hoping it was going to go. But we'll see. We'll see probably the next 12 hours, 24 hours. Low leverage. I think I have it at 3x leverage. Let's see here. I think it's going to be a quick show. I see the number on YouTube. Boring. But I do need to do my steps though. So I might do the hour. I was thinking like at 20 minutes, call it a show. But I think I need to do my steps. And I only do my steps when I'm doing the live stream. So I don't know. We'll see. The 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour, do we see anything here? Do we see? Uh-oh, we have bearish divergence. We have a high and a higher high. However, we have a high and a much lower high. Bearish divergence, possibly, arguably, could have already played out. This looks so incredibly horrible. So the level, I think, I really do think we're going to go up. Could we roll over? Sure. But the level that I'm watching right now on the 4-hour time frame is this right here. Let's do it in this case. 78.8. Hey, we've been here before. I remember all these 8s and the 7. 78.868. We've been here before. Maybe over here. Hello, we gotta watch somewhere on here. Anyway. I'm looking for this. Coming up, our anchor VWAPs. Probably coming, meeting us. A pullback, yeah. So this thought process still is my thought process. Do I think from here we're gonna go down? No. Could we? Sure. I don't think so. What trade are you in? Share your thought process. How did you get in and why? Yeah, sure. What trade is it? I don't even remember. I was looking at exec, but that's not the one I was in. What trade am I in? Hold on. Let me look at my chart. Look at my group. Let's see here. Oh yeah, hype. Oh no, wait. Yeah, it's a hype regular spot, possible 2x. We'll go over the trade in a second. That's a VIP setup that I did. Let's see, we did that last night. Yeah, this morning. We did it this morning. Just because I was thinking it's going to pull back to certain areas for a bounce. But yeah, we can talk about that. Let's see here. But for Bitcoin, you know what? 1 minute. Who trades a 1 minute? Nobody crypto trades 1 minute. So let's get rid of this. This was our 2 hypotheticals that we did. Un momento. I really do think we're gonna come up. It's only 1 hour. Let me just get a level real quick. Banging tool. So this is on Blowfin. The other one I was showing you was on Binance. I use Binance just because there's more volume on there. A lot of people trade on it. But I actually use Blowfin to trade. So Blowfin is what I chart when I'm going to do a trade. Let's touch on that. Right now I'm just getting some levels. Nasty liquidity sweep. Nasty. $15 minutes. Possible. 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 Let's see here. Just got into a short on Bitcoin. Very nice. Very nice. Possible. Possible. Market makers make it bounce. Support level, get respect. Now we pound, squeeze the villain, patience the crown. Yeah, for me. So it pulled back to 3-2, which is beautiful, and into the zone. Gorgeous. Came up. Slightly lower high, which is fine. Would like to see it pull back a little bit more before coming up, breaking this level. So if we break this level, set my alerts, and actually set the alert. My alert is set at 77,110. That's where my alert is set. And it's a pretty strong resistance level. And 15-minute time frame, we're on. Snap in place. Snap it. Dang it. Market makers make it bounce. So that's what I'll be looking for. Potentially. Let's see here. This person sounds like a scammer. I don't know. Hey, you stream really well. English, not so much. I'd love to become your dedicated fan and support you. Mind adding me? Yeah, that's a scammer. Delete message. Scammer Central. Yeah, let's go over here. That was on Twitch. Don't like it. Risk to reward's not there. I'm thinking about taking this right here, 3%. The pullback to 3.2 is nice. And but if it rolls over to 0.5, it can continue. Yes. Okay. Not 2-1. But here it's too risky. I would have to take it above here, above the break. I don't know. I think we're gonna go up. Now, if I did lower leverage, that's probably what I'll do is lower leverage. Because I'm thinking like a 30x. This has had plenty of time to break the level, and it can't do it. Came down here, played really dirty, So a lot of people had stops here, of course, when the price action was this way. They're trying to break above this zone, and entering here, you know, on the retrace, and we're right underneath the zone, very high risk, and people had their stop spot here, took them out, and then the other traders that entered here, they had their stop spot on here, took them out. I think that was a liquidity sweep that cleared them out down here. 15-minute time frame. Look at the wicks. Not too much information. Selling pressure. But it's not like big selling pressure, and then buying pressure. Oh, we got Crypto Change Me in the house. What's up, Crypto Change Me? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you very, very much. Let's do 3 minute. Oh wait, 15-minute. Okay, no bearish divergence. I look for divergence on the histogram. I don't look at it on the RSI, for those of you who are wondering. The lower time frame I go, it's like, oh. So here, bounce here. If I was seeing it here, I would have entered my long here. Stop here. Came down, went nice. Now, for the people who do patterns, they may see a shoulder, head, shoulder. Measured move would be about here, where I'm thinking it might come down to before coming up. Oh, let's put on our cheat sheet. This has, let me zoom in. So right now, currently the price is underneath the 9 SMA, which is the white, 30 SMA, which is the orange. This is our VWAP. We can see that right now it's currently trying to respect it. We have the red for our 50 and our yellow for our 200. Let's see. Right now, price action is currently underneath the 9 and the 30. Let's see if we break below this to maybe bounce here. We'll see. We got Steve in the house. What's up, Steve? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate everybody smashing the like. Thank you guys very much. I was wanting this to be a short stream, but I really need to get my steps in, so we'll probably do the full hour. Today was a good day at work. Very good day. Maybe this is the no, I would really like to see it pull back a little bit more, but maybe this is the where we come up. Let us look. And we have a bullish divergence on the 3-minute time frame. We have a low, lower low. We have a low, and currently a higher low. So this, well, it was actually right here. So you could argue that the bullish divergence played out, and then now we're doing like another hump, which could be lower than this one, which would be Steve Hickey says steps matter. I love you, man. You're my favorite. You're my favorite. You're my favorite. But today was a good day at work. Everybody left at like 12, and it was just me and the younger guy. He left at 3, so we were doing a bunch of stuff, and it was good. It was a good day today. Got a lot of stuff done. Okay, so right now, currently, price action is coming down. Oh yeah, so let me do my thought process on the coin. What coin was I in? Hype. Hyper liquid. Jordan is printing. Very nice. Very nice. So let's go YouTube. That way you don't see my actual chart. Let's see, hyper liquid. Hyper liquid. So let's get rid of our risk management. Hey, this is not mine. Oh, this is probably an old one. Okay, let's get rid of all this. And let's get rid of this. Okay. Oh. Is that a 12 hour I was looking at? Okay. So in the group, actually it was a 4 hour. In the group, of course, you know, we saw this nice run up. We saw the pullback. We actually entered a long here in the group a couple days ago, I guess. And then we got stopped out. We had our stop loss fairly tight, just in case we roll over and we take this and take this. And when I say this and this is, you know, for price to come down to those areas. And we entered here, got stopped out here, and which is good because, again, if we would have continued rolling over, I mean, it could have come down 26, maybe 24, and then we could have lost a lot of money. And then price comes up. It's like, ah, crap. So now I'm watching it, and I let the group know. All right, if we do this, here's one of the levels. Here's another level. If we break this level, we look for shorts. And the shorts would be, you know, targeting right around, you know, 26-ish, 24-ish. And go to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour, here was our other level we're looking at. And entered this morning. Oh yeah, so the price was up here. And I'm thinking, okay, we broke this level. We're coming up. We've done nothing but come up, and I actually made a video too for my group explaining the thought process. We broke this level, and because we broke the level, there's a pretty good chance we'll come down to 3 to maybe 0.5-ish area. Let's go to our magnet tool. Let's go from the low of this move. Get here. And something possibly, you know, bounce here, which would be perfect. Oh, wait. Yeah, I had it here, the beginning of this move. Not so much the sideways, but the extension leg of this one. And I said this would be perfect if we bounce on the 3-2, because it also corresponds with our level. But we can also come down to 0.5. If it breaks below 0.5, get a little worried because we're going to easily roll over. And price was, I believe, here at the moment. And sure enough, I had a, let me just see, lower entry. So this was the thought process. So price was here at the time. This was this morning, about 8:30-ish. Price was here when I started mapping it out, and price ended up coming down here by the time I recorded the video and everything else. I said here would be an aggressive entry because we could, you know, come up to roll over more to go to 0.5. We go to 0.5, then hopefully we're looking for it to come up. The white circles are always safer entries, and notice the white circles are above a pivot. And to me, this is safer. Could it still roll over? Sure, of course. But this is my thought process. And sure enough, we came down here to this area, started coming up, and then I was in profit, but now we came down again, making a higher low currently. Lots of selling pressure though. Lots of selling pressure. Could be due to maybe Bitcoin, but we'll see. We'll see if this plays out. What I'm looking for right now, again, we're on the 1 hour time frame. What I'm looking for, come up 382-ish area, come back down 0.5-ish area, and now let's go. That's what I'm looking for. And of course we got our stop. And this was a regular spot trade, 2x max. I have a 3x, so a lower entry did hit, and that's what actually helped me get into profit. And right now though, past like 4 hours, selling pressure, lots of wicks on the top side. We'll see. We shall see. Let's go look at our Bitcoin. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful. Give me one moment. I am going to wait for this 30 seconds to close. And then I'm going to, wherever, probably put my, come on. Because I'm going to go long. And I'm going to do my stop loss underneath the 200 SMA on the 3-minute time frame. So my stop loss is going to be right here. Now this is very risky because I don't have an up, down, and break of the level, especially breaking above this. This would be safer. This would, but I'm going to enter this long. Let's see here. And put this. That way I can see it because I got to go to the other computer. Copy. No divergence. RSI 37. Last time I did this, I got stopped out because I didn't wait for this. Oh, what am I doing? Here. And stop. Now there's about a 30-second delay on here, and I'll be right back. 1 second. Where's the camera? Come on, camera. All right, be right back. 75.58. It's risky, high risk. No confirmation. 10x leverage. Checking my exchange. Stop loss 75.589. 75.589. 1 moment, almost done. All right, so I'm in. 1 second. Again, there is a delay. Okay. I'm coming back. All right, and I'm back. Let's see here. Camera? There we go. All right. Let's see here. Okay. I went long unless you're microscopy. Yeah, this is just I'm just looking for like 1%. Not looking for anything crazy. We could, in my opinion, we could do this where we come up to maybe bounce our heads off of the VWAPs, but by that time we may be up here. So we're looking at maybe 83.9 ish area before coming down, and then again it's definitely not looking strong. This would be hopium for us to come up, but this currently right now, this has to be our plan A. And the reason it has to be is because we have nothing telling us that we're bullish. We're not above our VWAPs. We're not above, shoot, man. Let's put on our moving averages. On the 4 hour, we're underneath everything. I mean, so the 9 is my white. The blue is our VWAP. It's on the 4 hour time frame. So we're underneath our moving average. Underneath our 30, our 50, our 200 in sequential order, which is extremely bearish. When we have them flipped, where we have the 9, the 30, the 50, the 200 going that direction, well, then it's bullish. And right now we have the 9, 30, 50, 200 in that order. Not good. So I'm looking at potentially us coming up. Hopefully we break above the 30 and the 200. Bounce our head on the VWAP to come down. And then as we come down, then we can do a short. But I don't think, I hope we don't. I hope we don't bounce our head right here. 78,868. This is the level, like if you want it to be safer to try to get this little move, then that's what I would recommend waiting for. Right now, just for funsies. For funsies. Yeah, and just a micro scalp. Everything is screaming bearish. Bigger picture. Right now on the 1 hour, we're above our 9 SMA. We're below our VWAP, and we're not even above the VWAP. Let's go 15 minute. 15 minute. We're below. Did I put my stop loss? Yes, I did my stop loss. We're breaking below the 30. I was really hoping that we'd bounce right here. Sit on this one. Oof. Good Lord. I was thinking we're going to bounce right in this area. Let's see. Wow. 200. Save us, 200. Save us. That's the 200 SMA. Again, very risky trade. Safer trade is, of course, waiting for the pivot. Go up, down, break the pivot, circle, white. This right here was a very aggressive entry due to the fact that we're trying to catch a bounce. This is where I thought we might retrace to. It happened, and I'm hoping that we come up, but not looking good. We'll see. And again, because of the risk, I put very little money in, just in case we come down or break the 200 and boop, step down. And it's only 10x. Normally, when I trade Bitcoin, I'll do like higher leverage, but because this one was so high risk, no way. See, you're probably gonna get stopped out by now. Probably. Yeah, that's a pretty nasty candle. Pretty nasty. The short was the play, no long. I was hoping for this right here. And again, entered it. Very high risk, just due to no confirmation. This is my thought process. We're gonna pull back to here and come up. It looked like we were stalling out, so I entered. This would have been safer. Not only would we have created a pivot and broke above it, but we would also been above our VWAP and possibly our 50 SMA and our 9 SMA. But right now, we're underneath everything. But we'll see. We will see. So let's get rid of that. Go 15-minute time frame. And zoom out again. See here. It came down to 382 beautifully. Just really want to see a bounce here. This would have been nice and healthy. Nice and healthy right here. Bounce. We'll see. We shall see. Let's go. Do we need the song? Do we need the song? Where is it? Oh, it's playing right now. I didn't even realize it.
Now we pound, squeeze the villain, patience the crown.
Market makers play, they run the town. But when you learn their game, announce price finding the support level now, make it bounce. Market makers make it bounce. Price it, load and renounce. Take them profits, no remorse. Move like a shark, stay on course. Market makers make it bounce. Watch that wig, no.
Market makers make it bounce. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, market makers. So right now, as I mentioned, aggressive entry. And I didn't even do a lower entry. Just because, I mean, it's aggressive. I'm not gonna lie. Now, if it comes up here and it does this number, and if we did not enter here, we could have entered here with a lower entry here in case it comes back down, pulls back about 38, 50% of this move for the lower entry. But for this one, just one entry. Just because it's too aggressive. So we'll see. We will see. So how's everybody doing today? How is everybody doing? Are you trading? Are you sitting on your hands? Are you just waiting? For me, I only did one trade today, and you know, messing around with this one right now. But I only did one trade yesterday. Oh, we got into that trade yesterday. Got stopped out. And hypothetically, no. Did we get stopped out? It was two hypothetical trades that I would have been stopped out. Don't sit on your tacos. Eat them up. Took the day off and waited. Yeah, sometimes it's best just to wait. And if you got that itch that you want to trade, for me, I just trade very little money. Just, you know, sharpen the scales. Crypto Change Me says, trading both ways. Like a bot. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Love it. Spot trading. There you go. That's the safest way. Just investing, really, in coins that you like. And if it pulls back, I mean, look at Zcash. Dude, people, the only problem though, like when you buy coins and you just hold them and keep on buying and DCAing, when they finally do take off, there's a lot of people who don't take any profits. They're like, oh, you know, I'm holding it, I'm gonna keep it for another 10 years or whatever. And they don't sell. And let's say they were up 800%. Then it retraces. So now they're only up 30%. They were up 800. They didn't take any profits. And they're okay with it. So, I mean, every trade is different. But, like, of course, none of this is financial advice. But take something. Sell 10%. Anything. And then if it comes down, you can buy more. Or you can go out and buy some tacos. Taco Tuesday. Let's go. Hey, today's Taco Tuesday. But yeah. Yep. I'm sleepy. Today, I was going to do a short stream. 20 minutes. But I was like, I need to get my steps in. So we have gone 0.77 miles. Pretty good for not wanting to use the steps today. Speed only 1.0. We were doing 1.4. I'm sweating too much. I don't want to sweat. It's cold. 47 minutes on the walker, on the stepper. See here, funny story, Joe. I was making a Bitcoin update video. I saw a quick opportunity too long, ZEC, so I decided to record me trading ZEC. There you go. So, I actually put that in the group. I put that in the VIP. Did I put that in the VIP group? I recorded it twice. Dang it. The first video was too long. It was like 9 minutes. Then I recorded it again, and it was like 5 minutes. I was like, that's still too long. I don't remember if I posted it or not. Let me see. No, I posted another video. Dang it. Yeah, I was looking at Zek too. Yeah. Thank you, my friend. But yeah, man, I can't believe I didn't post it. It's because my videos are too long. I have a lot of thought process in the videos. And I don't want to bore people, especially people who have been in the group for like a long time. They pretty much know the thought process that I do. And man. But yeah, I was looking at Zek. Zek looks good. It's under resistance right now. It needs to come up to, well, let me just show you. 20%. It needs to come up 20% in order for it to be safe. But right now, I mean, oh, look, we have this too. Let's get rid of all this junk. Hey, how come this thing? Anyway. So this is the zone too. This is the zone. Let me get rid of this. Delete. This is the zone that I drew out for the video that I made. I forgot to post. But if we come up here, because we could from here come up and continue going up. But for a safer entry, you're looking for the break of this zone, which is roughly 20%. If you can stomach not being in 20% and it's being safer, for me, I actually want to get into it and then just have lower entries. We'll see. Let's see here. Heaven Star says Caspa. We haven't looked at Caspa in forever. Let's look at some Caspa. Let's look at some Caspa. So Caspa on a bluffing, looking good. So let's zoom out. So here we're looking at it way back over here. We would have entered the trade. We would have entered the trade here and then boop, stopped out. Go 4 hour. See more of our thought process. I'm thinking we were here when we saw it. Now, because it's on the 4 hour time frame and we went nothing but up, I'm thinking that we're going to come down to come up, and then now we can enter. And instead, we went straight up. We continued going up. But the only problem with continuing going up and up only without retraces is that when we come down, generally speaking, we come down pretty hard. And sure enough, we were here now when we're looking at it. We're like, ooh, more than likely we're going to come down to here. This is where I would like to see it bounce. But we don't enter because it could roll over. We went away for the pivot. And that's where we enter. And sure enough, from here, went straight down, broke the level we were thinking, all the way down to here. Good Lord. Started going sideways, 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 sideways. Starting to come up, faked everybody out. Here, I would have entered. And that's one thing with me too. Like, I'll tell you what I would have done. And here we would have lost. I would have entered because we broke out of this zone. Broke out of this zone. Could have this been just for liquidity? Sure. Was it? Yeah, 100%. Now we can see it after the fact. Came up, then came down, took out the longs, and then continued coming down. But we would have had our stop loss probably here and get stopped out. But we were trying it, you know, to where we bounce. Now, in order for us to have hope, it needs to break this level. Couldn't do it. Once it starts coming down here, breaks this level. Oh crap! Let's get our stop loss, move it up a little bit, and boop, stopped out. Comes down, comes down. Oh, it's always good to zoom out. It's a lot of areas that it can take. What's the percentage? We have big time bearish divergence. So we have a high, higher high. We have a high and a lower high. Good, the bearish divergence I've already played out. You can argue that. I'd agree. Not Caspa. Anything but Caspa. For this one, to be safe. And we always try to be safe. Unless we're trying to do a DGen Bitcoin trade. Is our Bitcoin trade still active? Ooh, it's still active. Let's see here. Let's see here for Caspa, and it's not. We're not waiting like 15%. What is it, like 1%, 2%, 2%? Yeah. So we're not waiting like 25% or nothing like that. You know what? Set your alert. Again, not financial advice. But if I was looking at this to potentially trade, I would set my alert about 7% from where it's at. I would set my alert right here. Set alert 0.03482. So here's the rules. The alert must go off first. Once the alert goes off, we check to see if the 4-hour candle closed above 0.03350. If it did, then we get into the trade. If it closed like this underneath, we don't enter the trade, because there's a really good chance that it just goes up, down, up, gets rejected here, comes down, breaks this level, breaks this level. So this is why we don't do that. We have to have rules. Let's see here. And then there's a lot of potential upside. A lot of potential upside. So you would want to, well, I would want, again, none of this is financial advice, to have your alert, to have your target underneath this box. Because right here we have a lot of kind of ups and downs, and this is the midline of this box. So we come over here, we can go to style, midline, make this white, boom. Let's make this not so bright. Lower the opacity. So you can see that we had about the midline, lots of stops of this box. Shoot, man, even right there. Anyway, so if we did enter, our first target would have to be underneath this box. And is the risk reward there? Let's say we entered around here. Say we entered around here. You know, we didn't catch the bottom, we didn't catch the very top, which is about right here. Let's say we get it here. Our target would roughly be about 10%. And our stop loss, so 10% from this area, you can see it right here. Whenever I click on this, the starting point is 0.03441. The ending point is 0.03809. So in case you're ever wondering, oh, what were the targets? It's right there. And you can pause the video. Stop loss, oh, it's a 1-on-1. I don't like those odds. So it's a 1-on-1 risk reward, and I'd put it underneath this wick. And that's just the first target. Second target, we can go underneath this box. If you like this coin, this will be a 2-to-1, which is much better. If you like this coin and you've traded it, then this might be a good trade for you. For me, I hear a lot that Caspa's not as lively as it once was. Could it bounce? Sure, of course. Could you make money on it? Sure, why not? You can make money on any coin, potentially. But we'll see. But definitely the rules must be set your alert. And don't just have text that says set alert. You actually have to set the alert. But for me, I'm not going to set the alert because I don't trade Caspa. I don't think I've ever traded Caspa. I might have a long time ago. But you would create the alert. The alert rings. You have to check the 4-hour candle close above the level we talked about. Then you enter the trade. Again, not financial advice. with your first target underneath the box, second target underneath the top portion of the box, and stop loss under this pivot, and hopefully it goes for you. But that's what I would do. Very nice. Who's streaming right now? We got 58 minutes on the stepper, 0.96 on the miles, guys. And here I didn't want to do my stepper today. I did not want to do my stepper today. See here. Mars went up. Very nice. Very nice. I don't even know what that ticker is. Maybe that's... Gosh. On. Yeah, that's way too D-Jenny for me. Doge on Mars. Too D-Jenny for me. So this into the block stuff. Good luck on your long, Joe. Yeah. Did it stop down or something? Oh. I hope so. We get it. Oh yeah, my target. Target's not way up there. Target would be under here. Again, just really quick. Let me have a first target. So first target, just roughly over a 1 to, just roughly over a 1 and 1. This will be my first target. Take some profit. And again, super high risk trade. Super high risk. I was really hoping here we'd come up, come down, come up, break above our anchored VWAPs, our 50 SMA, our pivot. And this is a safer entry. Right now, barely hanging on by a thread on the 200 SMA. Ticker is Elon. Thank you, Dream Tanks. You're the best. You're the best. And thank you, Newbie Crypto. Appreciate you, man. So, Elon. I remember hearing about this one a long time ago. I guess when it first came out. So, Elon. USDT.P. I don't. Let me see if it's on Blowfin. And no. Fine. Do Mexi. Looks exactly the same. Exactly. Could you make money on this? Sure, why not? But man, people who are going long, they're not making money. And if they make money, they're holding it. They're like, oh, it's gonna go to the moon. And meh. Way over here, January 2025, a year ago. No problem. Hope you doing good. Yeah, brother, I am. Doing good, get my steps in. Today I don't want to, but we're doing it anyway. Doing it a lot, man. Look at this range. Good Lord. And then boop. This looked like potential, the area for it to make some good money on the bounce up. And boop. Just continues to go down. And any pump it goes, it just takes it all. Extremely high risk point. Could you trade this and make some money and become the next millionaire? Yeah, sure. It's crypto. Would I touch it? Nah. Maybe if I had $25 that I didn't need, instead of buying a lotto ticket, but 20 here and then 5, like 75% lower minimum. I'll put it about here. So I'll put 20 in now and then 5 right there. It's gonna be the last one, Heaven Star. The last one. Litecoin. Because we only did this for an hour. We only did this for an hour. We are past our hour. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe. Litecoin. I'm coming up. I'm bluffing. That's our change of preference. If you don't have a bluffing account, consider using my link. It does help support the channel. If you don't, I will never know. But it would help support the channel. All right. So we're doing this. We have a lot of alerts set. Plan A was we're going to come up. We could come down. We got to watch these levels. Set the alert. Alert went off. Didn't take the short. But that was our process. Thinking we're coming for this. Sure enough, we came down, came up, came down, broke this level. And it just crashed city. Here, I'm thinking we're going to come up. We just, well, first come down to come up. To maybe bump our head on this. This area right here, I was really looking at for us to long. I really wanted to enter this trade for a long, but I was waiting. The alert will go off. I'd have to move it up a little bit because it's just a wick, and I'm waiting for it to break above this zone. And then it was here. It's like, maybe pull back a little bit more. You know, maybe not so far here. Come up, but we were never able to take this trade. Let's delete everything. 94 drawings. That's nuts. Let's go to the weekly. On the weekly, what do we see? Ooh, sexy. Weekly. Possible. We're right underneath the support. Right under support. Go right here. Oops, wrong one. We're losing people, guys. We're losing people. And if we could get a bounce right now, good Lord, that would be nice. And we actually have a zone here. Oh man, but the zone was a little bit, and it's all right here too. Have to do it. Gotta do it. No, it comes. This is our zone. We need to break out of this zone right here. It's a pretty big zone. I don't know what the zone is. 30%, 40%. Let's see. Survey says the zone is. Ooh. Put some bingo bangles in the chat, guys. Just about almost 30%. Once we get out of this zone, I think we'll do very nice. Could you buy the bottom and go up 30%? Sure. Again, not financial advice. But let's take off this midline. Go to the daily. On the daily, we do have a bullish divergence. We have a low, higher low. We have a low, lower low. Let's go. Moon mission. Moon mission. Let's see here. This Bitcoin pumps looks so scammy. I believe it. I believe it. I believe it. I was really hoping it was going to bounce here, not go lower. So we'll see. I haven't put my target yet. I forgot. I was too busy trying to put my stop loss. Again, just very little money. See if it goes. This could be buying the bottom. 4-hour time frame. We have bearish divergence. High, higher high. We have a high, lower high. We could argue that the bearish divergence played out with this dump right here. So to be safe, what we could do, if you want to try to catch the bottom, wait for this level to break. 61.02. What I would recommend, and I'm actually going to do this too, set an alert. Let's say about right here. Set an alert at 62.29. I'm actually going to set the alert. So the alert's going to be set. Now, what I want to see once the candle goes, and it might even go today, maybe the next 12 hours. Once the candle breaks this, the alert goes off. I would normally want to have the price action or candle above 61.02. But for this one, man, I kind of want to say it's okay if it goes here to the 59.61. Or it depends on my stop loss. So let's say we catch it here. The alert goes off, candle closes above. Oh, and we have to wait for the candle to close too. That's very important. Ooh. Regular spot trade. We would do our stop loss 15%. It's a regular spot trade. If you wanted to do a leverage trade, the stop loss would have to be way up here, maybe 10%. See, but right here, all these wicks, everybody has their stop loss right here. Everybody has their stop loss right here and right here. So it's best to have your stop loss underneath those, because the market makers could just do something like this, where it comes up, everybody gets crazy long, and then boop, and then boop, or even a wick. Boop. Not that big of a wick. Like that. Boop. But I like it. It's at the bottom. Nice buying pressure on the wicks. So we'll see. I do like it though. We just if you can hold out, what was it, 20%? Yeah. If you want, you could hold out 20% and just set your alert way up here. And by this time, hopefully, if we do make 28%, market's great. And hopefully this coin takes off. But if you want, you could. This would be an aggressive entry where we enter here and hoping that we break this mid zone, this midline. And let me actually break out the midline, even though I took it off earlier. Boom. Bingo bango. You see all this? Joe, what'd you do? Calm down. Joe, what'd you do? Calm down. Calm down. Look. Bounce, 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 bounce on the midline. Try to bounce. Boom. So what we need to do is we need to, once we break above this is going to be the level. This is actually a zone that we need to just be aware of. And hopefully we break above it. There, bounce. We'll do this one in white. I'm trying to stand out a little bit. And that didn't help. Joe, you're making your chart ugly. I know, calm down. I say calm down. So look at that. I like it though. I really do. Let's look at Bitcoin. Holy smokes. Let me go set my target, guys. Take some profit. Move up my stop loss for sure. I'm gonna move up my stop loss to entry to where it covers my fees. And I'm gonna take some profit. Let's see here. Who is live right now? Who's live? That's me. I'm on the treadmill. Let's go. We lost a lot of people. That's okay. Somebody else is streaming right now. Over here to redirect. Let's go over here. We got Lunar Beaches Crypto. We got Crypto Squid. Is this the one that always tricks me? January 28. Yeah, that always tricks me. I see here. This one's in the morning. I don't see Road Dog. Let's go to Lunar Beaches and see here. When Bitcoin runs low, Litecoin will spike. I hope so. I hope so. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me. I do thank you guys very much. We will see you. I better take my profit right now. We'll see you on the next video. Until then, as always, let's make this money. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. And not sure if you know this, but it is currently 10:15 p.m. Not sure what time it is your time, but it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trading Tuition. where we show you how to successfully trade without the tuition. Yeah, for free. Go figure. All right, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one. Until then, as always, be safe, have a stop loss, manage your risk, and join JR's Discord. We're in there trading live. If you want to do that, JR's Discord. Give you a heads up. Or if you have money and you want to join my VIP group, do that as well. Support the channel. All right, guys, take care. See ya. Take care. Now I gotta find the off button. We've been going speed of 1. Travel time 73 minutes. Let's go. 73 minutes. Traveled 1.22 miles. And I did not want to do my stepper today, so thankful we did. 1.22 miles. Let's go. Thank you, guys. Where's the off button? Oh, here.